Today, meron tayong pag-uusapan dito na bago and improved variant ng Redmi Note 11S. Dati, 4G lang siya and this time around, 5G na meron niya. Look, Redmi Note 11S, 5G. Emphasis on the 5G. So, I know that this is kind of something exciting and I love the color from the box. Tara, pag-usapan muna natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So this one is a improved version of the Redmi Note 11S 5G. But how improved is improved, there's something na umatras din at the same time. And this phone with a 6 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage is priced at 13,499 at your favorite Xiaomi official store. Check out the links below. And of course, bago sa lahat, unbox muna tayo. So yan guys, nakita na natin ang quick unboxing nitong phone na ito. I can say the color this one is really nice. And I have here is called the Star Blue. Kita natin no, na ang blue niya dito mag-fade down to a little bit more lighter blue or medyo may pagka-glitter-glitter. Pag tinignan mo, medyo okay naman siya. Classy siya, tingnan, and quite fancy. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga youth these days. Sa ilalim, meron siyang audio jack, microphone in, USB Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. Sa kabilang side, meron siyang fingerprint scanner, /power button, and of course, ang kanyang volume rocker. Sa ibaba, meron siyang second loudspeaker, noise cancelling mic, and of course, ang kanyang IR blaster. And on the other side, it's of course, kanyang SIM slot. And pag sinundot mo, ganito makita mo. Hybrid. Isang nano SIM and isang micro SD or dalawang nano SIM ang kanyang i-accommodate. 5G na. Sa likod, it's a 50MP na triple camera lens. Dati, it's a 108MP sa kanyang 4G variant. So, it's a bit of a step up. Sa harap, meron siyang 13MP na front-facing shooter. Dati, 16MP. So, another step down. Now, itong phone na ito is packed with a MediaTek Dimensity 810. It's a 6nm chip. And, of course, it's a step up from its predecessor, the 4G variant. It's a MediaTek Helio G96, 12nm na chip. And, of course, kanyang score dito is a lot of step up over sa kanyang predecessor, which is a 338,000 points. And breaking it down, ito ang score na makikita natin. Multitasking on this one, smooth na smooth siya, wala naman naging problem. This phone is currently running at Android 11 together with a MIUI version 13. So another step down is of course ang kanyang screen. This time around, it's a IPS LCD with a 90Hz of screen refresh rate. 450 nits, and dati it's a AMOLED with a 90Hz of screen refresh rate. But the screen size is a lot bigger compared sa dati. Dati it's a 6.43 inch. Right now it's a 6.6 inch. A lot bigger. Mas malaki ang kanyang viewing angle, which is I think better. And ang kanyang screen to body ratio is around 85%. So kita natin right now, I'm running at a 90Hz of screen refresh rate. And by the way guys, this phone is being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3, similar sa dati. And of course, ang kanyang side is plastic frame and plastic back. Pero hindi siya mukhang plastic. Okay na okay ang kanyang itsura and I love it. Ganda ng kanyang color, lalo na. On a daily usage, pag hawak dito sa phone na ito, it's okay. Hindi naman siya sobrang sarap hawakan. Yung tama lang. And ang sides niya is curved, so giving you the smoothness pag hawak sa kanto, hindi siya ma-edgy hawakan. And of course, the screen is just eksakto lang sa akin. Lalo na kung yung mga people na medyo smaller hands, there are times na medyo hirap abutin ang kanto, one-hand usage. Ako kasi, I'm more of a one-hand user. So, screen size like 6.6 is just eksakto lang para sa akin. Even though na it's just an IPS LCD, this one still has a security level na level 1 sa Wi-Fi security, meaning you can watch all of your favorite HD na videos on Netflix or on your other favorite streaming apps dito sa phone na ito. And watching my favorite videos on YouTube and on Netflix, I can say okay naman ka ng screen. Even though it's an IPS LCD, the 90Hz refresh rate, kinda offset for that. Smooth naman ang experience ko dito. And one thing that I noticed is hindi malaki ka ng punch hole dito. So giving you a better viewing experience dito sa phone na ito. Now, since this phone has dual speaker, isa sa taas and isa sa baba. So gusto natin i-check dito, gusto natin i-try at ipakita ko sa inyo kung okay nga ba sounds niya dito sa dalawang speaker niya. Pareho ba ang buga or mas mahina isa kaysa doon sa isa? Check natin. After using this phone, listening to my favorite music on Spotify, I can tell you na hindi malakas ang speaker dito. Kahit dual speaker pa siya, hindi ganon kalakas. Medyo nabibitin ako. So, I did use yung aking favorite na headphones dito since meron pa naman. So, utilize natin. Or you can always use your favorite TWS anytime para mas ma-enjoy nyo, lalo na when you're watching videos or playing games. Speaking of playing games, nilaro ko ang Call of Duty Mobile dito and ito ang settings niya. I just set it to somewhere sa middle ng settings. So nilaro ko tong game na ito. I was able to enjoy naman. Even though na hindi siya yung sobrang enjoy dahil this phone is yet to be called a gaming phone, but it can game. No doubt about that. Ang response rate naman ng kanyang screen to my every touch is okay. Wala naman nafe-feel na naiiwan ang aking touch or hindi siya nag-response sa aking touch. Okay ang kanyang response and of course, ang kanyang screen is quite good, 6.6 inch, and yung kanyang 90Hz of screen refresh rate kinda offset naman dun sa kanyang pagiging IPS LCD. And ang gameplay overall, I can say it's good, but it's not the best on any phone at this price point. Pag-usapan naman natin kunti ang kanyang thermals pagdating sa extreme gaming around 1.5 oras. Dito medyo mainit. Nafe-feel ko siya at around mga 44 degrees Celsius using aking thermometer. And well, if you want to cool it down fast, you can always use any coolers. Ang daming coolers out there na efficient naman magpalamig ng phone, tulad ng Black Shark cooler. You can always attach it. Itong phone na ito has 5,000 mAh of battery and it's, well, just a industry standard, nothing more than that. Fast charge up to 33 watts. So, dinain ko ang phone na ito, chinarge ko back up to 100 from 15%. Natapos siya in just 1 hour and 5 minutes. Okay naman siya ang kanyang speed. And, well, I can say na if you drain the battery full, probably nasa isang oras at 15 minutes tapos lang charging nito, which is kinda efficient naman. Now, one thing na gusto ko ipagmalaki sa inyo is ang battery life nito. 2 days. Kaya itagal nito sa aking pocket when I use it on my daily basis. Grabe! At binigyan din siya ng PCMark battery stress test ng 17 hours and 22 minutes sa screen on time, which is for me, grabe, very efficient itong Dimensity 810. So I guess if you're out there looking for a phone na sobrang kunat ang battery, I think this one should be one of your consideration when buying a phone. Now, usapang camera naman tayo. I know it's a step down from the 108MP do sa kanyang 4G variant. This time around, it has a 50MP na main sensor, 8MP na ultra-wide sensor, and 2MP na macro lens, together with a 13MP na front shooter. This one can only record up to 1080p, 60fps, which is a step up compared sa 30fps lang ng kanyang predecessor. So I did try to take in some shots. I feel na okay ang kanyang camera, no? Even though it's just a 50MP, nothing really special, but the shots are quite good. Hindi naman siya yung, dahil 50MP lang siya, medyo mababa lang. So, mga shots medyo sabog. Probably, ang Dimensity 810 ang papaganda sa mga shots nito. Pati ang kanyang selfie camera, I can say okay naman siya, kahit even low light siya. Now, talking about the video camera dito, ang kanyang rear camera shooting at 1080p 60fps. Okay, magandang kanyang resolution, it's nice, punchy, but medyo matagtag siya dahil wala siyang image stabilization. Sa kanyang front camera naman, I can say okay naman siya, but there are times na medyo jittery siya. I'm not quite sure why, but I hope na makorekto sa future na software updates. Now guys, itong Redmi Note 11S 5G, I can say it's a really nice smartphone. But at a price point ng 13,499, I can say okay lang siya. Hindi naman siya sobrang sulit. But if you're out there looking for a phone na makunat na ka ng battery, therefore this is the one that you're looking for. Okay ang kanyang camera. Okay din ang kanyang screen. Yung gaming is tama lang, hindi naman sobra pang extreme gamers. And what I like is masarap siyang bitbitin. And of course, ang kanyang kulay is definitely pinaka-best attraction for me. If you want added protection, I have here ang case na nabili ko kay Shandy. You can check it out sa Shandy Philippines and sa Shandy Masangkay. And this one is called the Beetle case. It adds protection sa yung mga smartphones, lalo na pang clumsy kayo, nalalaglag madalas yung phone. Kitang-kita rin ganda ng likod ng phone mo. Ito, may mga bumper siya, which kinda protects the phone, okay, from drops, lalo na try ko mga around mga 3 to 4 meters. Okay na okay pa rin siya. Hindi siya nabasag ang screen, which saves me a lot of money. Therefore, I highly recommend na bumili kayo ng case something like this, which is called the Beetle case from Shandy. And so guys, if you find this video useful, and if you want to watch more of my videos, check out my playlist. Ang dami ko pang videos na almost similar to this one. You can binge watch. And I would recommend na mag-subscribe kayo and of course, click mo na yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss sa mga uploads ko like this one dito sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick! Watcha!